So these are the drusen's here. When you look them in the fundus, when you look them at the fundus, drusen's look like this. Now, don't you think they resemble the hard exudates? This is a very important confusion that we actually have in our mind, that they can be hard exudates. Now, how to differentiate? Now, see, if it is hard exudates, that means it can be a case of NPDR. That means it can be a case of NPDR. And if it is a case of NPDR, we can have microaneurysms, we can have dots, and we can have blots also. Okay. Now, you cannot see any hemorrhages here. Therefore, I know that this is not NPDR, and therefore these are not hard exudates, and we can say that these are drusen's. So this is a very important thing, with the help of which you can easily differentiate whether they are drusen's or whether they are hard exudates. Alright. Now coming to the most important thing in the retina. Most important thing in the retina, see this. Very important, you can say ocular emergency, that is the retinal detachment. And we can have three kind of retinal detachment. One is the RRD, then we have ERD, and then we have got the TRD. The most common is the RRD, you can see. And RRD means rhegmatogenous. Now the word rhegmatogenous, if you see, rhegma, it is formed from the word rhegma, and the, ma'am, please explain the last one. Drusen's. Okay, I'll come back to that. So rhegma. Rhegma means retinal hole. So basically the RD which occurs due to retinal hole is actually rhegmatogenous retinal detachment. You can see this is the retinal hole due to which the detachment is taking something like this and something like this. So we are having this funnel shaped RD. This funnel shaped RD, whenever you are getting along with the retinal hole, is the rhegmatogenous retinal detachment. We have got so many of the risk factors, and always remember the investigation of the choice. Investigation of choice is the B scan ultrasound. Investigation of choice in the Best disease was different, then in the CSR it was different, then in the Stargardt disease it was different. Here it is B scan ultrasound. Okay. And you can see what is the meaning of this B scan. B matlab brightness. B means brightness. So this is a brightness scan which is actually two-dimensional ultrasound. अगर B कैसे होता है, A और B मतलब two, इसका मतलब A scan is also there. A scan is one-dimensional ultrasound. So you can easily differentiate. A मतलब पहला तो one-dimensional हो गया, B मतलब दूसरा तो two-dimensional ultrasound. Then that will be two-dimensional ultrasound. You can see this whenever you see the B scan. This one is the optic nerve shadow. This is a optic nerve shadow you are going to get, and this is the detachment of the retina, and this is a funnel that is formed. This is a funnel that is formed. So you are going to get a funnel shaped RD in cases of rhegmatogenous retinal detachment. Investigation of choice भी हो गया, B scan ultrasound, and see the treatment. Treatment में क्या है? RD detachment हो गया. So we are going to put something which is supporting the retina all around. So we are putting the scleral buckle. Scleral buckle में क्या कर रहे हैं? We are putting something all around the sclera. अगर ये है तो we are putting something like this scleral buckle all around. We are putting back the retina, and then we are doing the suturing. This is actually called as the scleral buckling. This is called as, this one is the scleral buckle, and this is called as the scleral buckling. This is actually called as the scleral buckling, the treatment of choice here. Now another important thing, the second one, that is the ERD. E means exudative RD. So basically exudative RD can be three things. Exudative में क्या है? That something is pushing the retina towards vitreous cavity. तो जब भी we are pushing anything, we cannot push it in a concave way. We have to push it in a convex way only. अब what is pushing this retina? It can be exudates, it can be any fluid, or it can be even tumor also. It can be tumors also. So whenever we have fluid collection, whenever we have tumor, whenever we have exudates within the layers of the retina, they are pushing the retina. They are pushing the retina. Therefore, you are getting this dome-shaped RD. Therefore, dome-shaped RD, or it is called as convex RD. One was a funnel-shaped RD, one was a dome-shaped RD. Investigation of choice will remain same. That is the B scan on which you are going to get this dome-shaped RD. While तीसरा क्या होगा? तीसरा पे टेंट है. टेंट क्या हो रहा है? That this RD is called as a TRD. TRD मतलब tractional RD. TRD means tractional RD. Traction मतलब pull. So you are pulling the retina towards the vitreous cavity. अब जब भी हम किसी चीज को पुल करते हैं, how it will be done. So see, whenever I am pulling something, it is something like this. So you cannot pull in a concave manner. It is something like this. So a tent is formed. Therefore, this is also called as a tent shape RD. So one is funnel shaped RD, one is convex RD, and one is the concave RD. Concave RD or the tent shape RD. Now, this something which is pulling the retina, so it has to be strong. Strong क्या हो जाएगा? Dense vitreous hemorrhage. So dense vitreous hemorrhage in the vitreous cavity can pull the retina. Vitreous hemorrhage कहाँ से होगा? From the PDR, from the Hill's disease, from the trauma, from the ROP, and we can have pulling of the retina. So 3 different types of the retinal detachment with the 3 different configuration on the B-scan ultrasound.